You'll make your life easier if you keep track of everything you buy and sell using the item list in QuickBooks. Items are a quick, easy, and consistent way to enter data into QuickBooks forms. Using items also enables QuickBooks to handle a lot of behind-the-scenes record keeping. Items are the products and services that your business buys and sells. An item could be labor for a service you provide, such as gardening or installation, a service you purchase, such as tree removal, or a product that you buy and sell, such as fruit trees. After you've set up your items in QuickBooks, filling out sales forms is quick and easy. For example, if you create an invoice and you choose an item from your item list, QuickBooks fills in the description and the rate, and then calculates the amount. So how do you set up an item? We'll walk you through it and show you the important behind-the-scenes work that items perform. On the home page, click Items and Services in the Company section. Click Items and Services. Click Item. And then click New. There are several different types of items in QuickBooks. Let's talk about some of the most important item types. Service items are used to represent work performed by your business or work done for your business by someone else. Inventory and non-inventory parts are types of items used to represent products that you buy or make and resell. Whether or not you keep a particular product in stock and track it as inventory determines if you identify an item as an inventory or non-inventory part. Other charge is another item type that you may use for your business. It can be used to represent any kind of additional charge on a purchase, such as a shipping charge, delivery fee, or finance charge. In this example, we're going to set up an item for hedges and shrubs. Because this is an item you buy and resell but don't normally keep in stock, you need to select Non-Inventory Part as the item type. Click Non-Inventory Part. Next, we'll enter the name for this item in the Item Name Number field. To provide greater detail on forms, you can classify an item as a member of another group of items called a sub-item. In this case, we'll make hedges and shrubs a sub-item of plants, trees. Click Sub-Item Of. Click in the Sub-Item Of field and type Plants, Trees. Because Plants, Trees is an existing item, QuickBooks fills in the information as soon as you type in the first few letters. Next, we'll enter a description. In this example, 4-foot ornamental. We'll enter the sales price. If the price or the description varies by customer or project, you should leave these fields blank when setting up the item and specify them later when you create the invoice. To help you track sales tax, you will define the item as either taxable or non-taxable. In this example, we'll leave the tax code as it is, since this is a taxable item. You need to associate every item you sell with an income account. In this case, we're setting up hedges and shrubs as a non-inventory part item that we sell as a job material. So we'll associate this item with the Landscaping Services, Job Materials, Plants and Sod account. Then we'll click OK to save this new item. QuickBooks uses accounts to categorize the money you make or spend. When you created the Hedges and Shrubs item, you associated it with the Landscaping Services, Job Materials, Plants and Sod account. Now, every time that you create and save an invoice that uses a Hedges and Shrubs item, QuickBooks will increase the Landscaping Services, Job Materials, Plants and Sod account by the amount of hedges and shrubs sold. When you track your income and expenses at a high level of detail, You can run reports and graphs that give you valuable information, such as which items provide your greatest sources of income and which items are your best sellers. That's it. You've learned how to create and use items in QuickBooks. To learn more about QuickBooks, go back to the Learning Center and select another tutorial from the list. For more information about creating inventory items, be sure to view the tutorials in the Inventory section of the Learning Center.